How to troubleshoot your Google Pixel Watch. When something isn't working right, try restarting your Google Pixel Watch. Press and hold the crown for about 4 seconds. Then tap Restart. Your Google Pixel Watch will briefly turn off, then back on with the same settings you had when you set it up. If you want to erase all your data and return your watch to factory settings, swipe down and press the gear icon to go to the Settings menu. Select System. Then disconnect and reset. Follow the steps on the screen to factory reset your watch. If you have a Google Pixel Watch with 4G LTE, to keep your watch connected to your phone service plan, turn off Erase eSIM. To remove your watch from your phone service plan, turn on Erase eSIM. Once you erase the eSIM, you will need to reactivate your watch with your service provider. To reset your watch, follow the on-screen prompts. You can also reset your watch in the Google Pixel Watch app on your phone. Tap System. Then tap Disconnect and Reset Watch. To learn more, visit the Google Pixel Watch Help Center.